How to bypass enterprise enrollment on your school Chromebook. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass the enterprise enrollment on your school Chromebook. So if you are using PC, then you will see an interface like this. If you are using your mobile phone, then you can simply go on the Google Chrome and on your Google Chrome school Chromebook. So after going on school Chromebook either from your phone or PC, what you need to do is follow the following steps. So the very first step that you should follow is you will see a simultaneous tap refresh button, and you need to tap on the refresh and power button simultaneously, which will lead you to a new screen that you can also use for the default operating system. And after that, on your screen you will be seeing the press Ctrl plus T and enter followed by space. After doing that, you need to come and change your login ID of Chromebook, adding your personal account there. So after changing it to your personal account, you can simply switch it to your personal account. And if you want to perform power wash on Chrome, then you can simply go on the Chromebook and then press on the Ctrl plus, L plus and Shift button simultaneously. And after that, a window will be asking you for a confirmation code. After that, you can simply press on the power wash and make sure that before doing that, you must back up everything, because backing up after you power wash would be very difficult to reset all the things that you have. So it might cause you trouble. So do keep that in mind and follow the following steps to see if it works or not. So that's it all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.